of housing program. దీనికి సంబంధించి starting April, going forward into the year, this would be the biggest program for the state government. This will be the biggest program going on in the districts. 15.60 lakh houses. That is the number of houses that would go in for construction. So this is one very, very important aspect. Please bear in mind. To facilitate these houses to be constructed, the most important thing is, please make sure that the layout has bore and electrification done to it. Water should be available. Without making water available at the location, at the layout, you cannot start the construction. Please bear this in mind. This is very, very important aspect. And this has got to be done very transparently. Very, very transparently, because government is not asking you to reject anybody. Government is with the people. Government wants you to help people. Every person deserving should get it. Every person who wants to take us for a ride, undeserving people, they should not get it. ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Every collector should own it, because this is one program where it is visible in every village. So it's very important that you want to show progress, you want to show works happening, you need to focus here. So దీనికి సంబంధించి until unless collectors take review meetings periodically, every 4-5 days, ఒకసారి ఖచ్చితంగా collectors at their level should take review meetings. Joint collectors should be even more focused, JCs, on NREGS. Because most of these works are connected. Anni kuda development oriented prati work kuda, it is in a way connected to NREGS. So it's very important that collectors focus there.